Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to share a little tool that I found. I saw somebody using on YouTube. Seemed like it was a good idea, and it is. The idea of it, just this tool didn't work um, like I was expecting it to. Kind of, you know. But what do you expect? Something that says Japan quality, but then it says made in China. Anyways, it doesn't work like I wanted it to. Basically just a hammer pull or a hammer, uh, slide hammer, what you want to call it. So this thing is real flimsy, has no weight to it whatsoever. It's not strong at all. So you're basically just whacking this thing, pulling it with your hand. Um, it works with these inserts right here. Basically, you put this down in the bearing and it expands when you screw this in there. But anyways, this didn't work very good. Uh, not entirely, I should say, but I made it work. Kind of modified one. I used the small rod that it comes with. This is how much rod you get. I added another piece of 1/2 inch rod, and I made my own slide, which is actually a lot heavier than what it comes with. Here's the insert. So anyways, we're gonna try it out and see how much better this works. So basically, you take this and screw it on here and stick that in the bearing. There you go. And then you want to find that as much as you can. And go to town. There you have it. There's your bearing.